Today's home workout with your qualified trainer, Wyndham-Read, is an 8-minute full body cardio workout. So I'm going to show you two options. I'm going to show you high impact as well as a low impact. So you get to choose. It's a really lovely routine. We've got 8 moves and no repeaters, all standing, no equipment. We're going to start with doing a quick warm up. So if you're ready, let's get started. So for this, just follow along. We're just going to start with doing a quick little warm up, and we're going to start with doing 10 of these side steps. So this is just going to help prepare your body for the workout ahead. Just go from side to side, draw in those arms, just help increase your mobility. And now arms up, just give me 10 of these hamstring curls. And remember, if you don't want the audio coaching, simply turn down the volume and play your favorite music. All right, that's good. And now give me 10 of these, just reach those arms across. And this is also just going to really help to increase your core body temperature. And that just means then we're going to get more effect from the workout ahead. So we are now ready to start your workout. Now I'm going to show you a preview here of the first move. So just watch, you've got an option. Left is high impact, right is low impact. It's doing 4 V jumps and then 4 leg kicks. So the great thing is you choose, and we're going to do it for 45 seconds. So let's get ready, and we're now going to go for 4 V jumps or step outs and then 4 leg kicks, and take it back to that step out. So you can see on the left you've got your high impact option, on the right is your low impact. Right in the top right hand corner is your 8-minute countdown clock for the workout. So let's just keep going. So you get to choose. One day you might want to do low impact, the next day high impact, or alternatively you could do the first 20 seconds high impact, then take it to low. All right, that's good. Let's just keep that going all the way until that arrow reaches the top. Then we'll have 15 seconds recovery, and then we'll have a look at the next move. So last little bit, keep landing softly. And well done. All right, so just march out. You take a deep breath in, deep breath out. We'll have a look at the next move coming up. So the next one, high impact, are doing these pendulum swings. So you're just jumping one foot out to the side, going from one to the other, or come into that low impact and just lift, alternating those legs. So this one here, a little bit more of a lateral move, working down the inside and outside of the thighs. The high impact one here, we're just taking those feet off, really use the arms as well. This move especially is really good to target through the core. We're also working into those internal and external obliques, so it's great for your waist, as well as working through your legs and thighs. Plus the most important muscle of all, your heart. We're getting that heart rate up. So let's just keep going till the arrow reaches the top. If you're doing it on the left, on the low impact, keep those knees slightly bent and just alternate that leg swing from one side to the other. All right, that's good. Okay, march out again, deep breath in, deep breath out. Just keep those feet moving. This is your recovery time. Next move, we're going to go for side hops. If you're doing the high impact, we're taking that to a jump and really pull the arms in. If you're following on the left, just give me a tap, still work the arms. And both these moves are equally as effective. Even though the left on the right, we're not doing the jump, we're still doing what I call high intensity. So I'm still really challenging you. All right, that's good. Keeping that going. So we're over halfway now on this move. And remember, as I said, you can pick and choose. One day you might want to take it low impact, the next day high impact. All right, that's good. And really put power through that jump. If you're taking it on the left, if you're doing it on the right, really draw those arms in. As you draw those arms in, really embrace your core tummy muscles. So we're really working the abs there as well with that one. Okay, so just march out. Now I have done this as part of a 4-week series. It's completely free in ebook. I'll leave all the details down below in the link. So let's have a look at your next move come out. Now this one I call the Charlston kick. You've got 2 options here. You can do it where you add a little jump, or just keep it again low impact. So they both look quite similar, but you can really add that little jump as you take that opposite leg behind. So you kick one leg in front, step the other behind. And halfway through we'll change the leading leg. So again, really powerful dynamic move. Both the high and low impact here are really challenging. It's also great for your balance, flexibility. Let's just change legs now. So you kick that leg in front, step the other one back, and really drive it with the arms. And if you want to, you can make it a little bit faster, make that move more dynamic. All right, that's good. And keeping that going, really drive that power through. Again, this is another really good full body move that's really targeting also through the legs, arms, and abs. All right, just march it out and we'll just have a look at the next move coming up. So this is a fun one. We're going to do 10 where we do 10 power punches. Then once you've done 10, you then do 10 sprints or 10 marches on the spot. So let's get ready. So take that to those power punches, and then you've got your option, a high sprint, or just do these knee drives with arm pull downs, and then count 10 to yourself because you might be going a little bit faster than I am. So just do sets of 10 of both. That's good. Keeping that going, doing really well. So we've nearly finished today's workout. So let's keep focused. And do come and find me on social media, on Facebook, Instagram. Just let me know how you're getting on with your training. All right, that's good. And just remember, what you and I are doing right now is we are investing in your future health. Keep that going. That's good. Put power through those. If you're doing that jog on the spot, if you're doing these pull down knees, really keep those abs tight. Drive that knee up, pull those arms down, and well done. Let's just march it out. So next one we're going to be doing, if you're doing the high impact, we're doing a touchdown squat jump. If you're doing it on the left, I want you just take it a really controlled squat. So you're going to take the arms up, and then what you're going to do is as you squat down, aim to touch the inside of the foot. So we're taking it to the opposite hand heel. If you're doing the high impact, try and touch the ground. So it's a tough one, this, so just do what you can. And remember, at any point you can switch from high to low or low to high. And as I said, this one I have done as a little series. It's going to be a 4-week series. We start with a 6-minute for 1 week, 8, 10, and then 12. And it's a free training guide on my website. Don't need an email. I'll leave all the details below. All right, that's good. And just keep that going right to the arrow reaches the top, and we've just got 2 moves left after this. So let's just keep going and just march out, doing really well. So for your next move, we're doing 4 of these crisscross jumps, and then you go 4 hamstring curls. Or if you're doing it on the low impact, you're just stepping that foot across, alternating for 4, and then we're both doing the 4 hamstring curls. So it's either the jump or the step across. Keeping that really controlled. So here we're activating a little bit more again through your inner and outer thighs, abductors, adductors. And within this workout, we're working full body, every muscle group, and we're working all 3 different planes of motion. All right, that's good. Keeping that going, doing really well. So we've nearly finished today's workout. Let's keep focused. And it's always important with exercise, it shouldn't hurt, but what you do want to be doing is challenging yourself. It's when we challenge ourselves is then when we get stronger. And also a really good thing to remember is what we're doing is we're using weights here. The best weight of all, we are using body weight. I can't stress enough how body weight is one of the best ways to really tone and strengthen your body. So next move is, it is a side lunge with a jump from one side to the other, or a side lunge where we're just going for a calf raise and then side lunge, calf raise and side lunge. So again, this here weight bearing exercise. And as said, this is, you can do it as part of a free challenge, and with it you've got tick list, and it just gives you structure, gives you that consistency. All right, that's good. Just keeping that going. So last move for today. Let's keep going right to the end, reach it up. And the great thing is with this, it's just 8 minutes. You could come back, do it later in the day. If you've done the high impact in the morning, you might want to then do the low impact later in the day. All right, reach up and reach that across. Again, you'll really feel that through the inner thighs, up and then march out. So that is your full body workout complete. But what I want you to do, just carry on marching. So what we're doing now, we're going to take it right to that 8 minutes, and it is really important that we don't just stop exercising. What we want to do is get your heart rate back down. And really well done with today's workout. Also, if you enjoyed it, then please do share it on any of your social media sites. So well done, there is your high five. Now, as always, you've got two options. If you want to do a little bit more toning, then you can click up here. I've got my 5-minute playlist. If you are finished for today, then come and do a full cool down stretch. And really well done. Remember, you and I have just invested in your future health, and I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.